Why some prop firms ban traders? The real reason nobody tells you. If you think traders only get banned for breaking rules, wait until you hear what's actually happening inside the prop firms. Most traders think bans come out of nowhere. One day you are funded and the next you are locked out. The truth is there are real reasons behind every ban. Often, these are technical issues or signs of risky behavior, not just the drama you see on social media. In this video, I'm going to break down why prop firms actually ban traders, how you can avoid these account-killing mistakes, and why prop firms like FunderBlu are moving toward clearer, more transparent systems that protect both the trader and the prop firm. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. The non-negotiable hard rules violations. The most common and straightforward reason for a ban is breaking the published rules. Sometimes traders do this knowingly, and sometimes it happens by accident. Firstly, daily and max loss rules. These are the basic pillars of any prop firm, designed to ensure you maintain discipline and protect the capital. Exceeding daily drawdown, exceeding overall drawdown, max loss. Improper risk management that leads to repaid violations. Even one pip over the limit can trigger a violation on some platforms. The rule is the rule. At FunderBlu, our rules are clear and simple, and they are made to be manageable for real people. We provide the capital, but we expect professionalism. That's why we offer no time limits. We want you to focus on rules, not feel rushed by a timer. There are no hidden traps. Chapter 2. The emotional mistakes. Unprofessional trading behavior. Prop firms don't just look at your losses. They also pay attention to how you trade. Some behaviors show that a trader is acting emotionally or trading in a way they can't last. 1. Gambling, revenge trading, sudden massive lot sizes after a loss, and over-leveraging, using unlimited lot sizes far outside normal risk parameters, and sudden account blow-ups. These are a huge red flags that the trader is trading emotionally rather than systematically. Inconsistent risk management. This isn't about your trading strategy. It's about how you handle risk. Prop firms notice when there are a big random changes in your risk size, or if you don't have a clear way to set your positions. Since inconsistent risk management can't last, prop firms will step in and stop the process. FunderBlu looks for steady, measurable results. We reward careful trading with the industry's highest split, up to 95%, with no risky or reckless actions. Chapter 3. The sinking problem. Copy trading and mirroring. This is one of the biggest reasons for ban across the industry and is often the most misunderstood. Why it's a problem? Traders copy signals directly on their accounts. Traders mirror trades across hundreds of accounts simultaneously. Traders use a shared HFT strategy without permission. Most prop firms see an unfair advantage because it leads to the same traders happening across many accounts. This can hurt the prop firm's liquidity and cause problems with the trade execution behind the scenes. Develop your own original strategy, avoid automated paid copy systems, don't sync multiple accounts together across different users. FunderBlu supports original, independent trading. We want real traders with their own strategies who can succeed over time. This is how we keep our 95% profit split sustainable. Chapter 4. Platform abuse and security issues. Some bans come from things traders don't realize are violations, but are essential for security. The examples are selling funded accounts to other users, running account farms, hundreds of low-volume accounts, breaking KYC, know your customer requirements, logging in from suspicious or banned geographic locations. Most bans in this area are about security. The goal is to protect the platform and the real trader community from fraud. FunderBlu keeps security tight but always communicates openly. If something seems off, our team will reach out to the trader to check before making any decisions. Chapter 5. The technical flag, misunderstanding, and backend errors. Not all bans happen because the trader messed up. Sometimes the system gets it wrong. Sometimes it's misreported data from the server. A broker execution delay is causing a temporary sync issue. An incorrect risk flag triggered by a major market spike. Good prop firm fix these quickly. FunderBlu values transparency. If a flag is triggered, we tell the trader why. Because we offer 24 hours payouts. Our systems are fast and closely watched, and our support team is ready to fix the technical errors quickly and fairly. At the end of the day, traders are never banned without a reason. There is always a clear logic behind it. If you understand the rules and trade professionally, you won't run into problems. If you want a transparent, modern, trader-focused prop firm that rewards real, consistent trading with a 95% split, 24-hour payouts, and no time limits, FunderBlu is building exactly that kind of platform. If you want more videos like this with real explanation and no drama, subscribe to the channel. And if you are ready to trade with a firm that values your discipline, check out FunderBlu. Trade smart, trade consistently, and stay away from the shortcuts that cost traders their accounts.